Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some great nail colors from Impress. They have a lot out right now and they're perfect for fall. I got 3 sets from Amazon and I got 2 sets at my local CVS yesterday, and they are stunning. So the ones from Amazon were all under $6. And my friend Molly, who's a subscriber of my channel, and that's where I met Molly. Hi, Molly. She emailed me to tell me that there were some great prices on the Impress nails. They were under $6 a piece, so I picked up 3. And the colors that I got are absolutely gorgeous for fall. So I got Platonic Pink. I got Sandbox, and I got Ready or Not. So pretty, right? And so this Ready or Not would be perfect for the holidays. It's a pretty red, and these 2 I picked up at CVS yesterday. And this one that I think is perfect for fall is called Red Impact. It's such a pretty red, right? It's kind of that little bit of an orange red. And the other one is Caramel. I'm not sure if they had this before. It looks a little familiar to me, but it is so darn pretty that I don't even know which one I want to do for today. But I think what I'm going to do is I haven't had red nails in a long time. So I'm going to do these Red Impact nails and see how they come out. I know they're going to be beautiful. They're a shorter length, and yeah, they're the short. You can see, I don't know if you can see the little S there, that it is short. Red Impact number 30. So I'm going to put these nails on. Let's see how they come out. Come on down. So I recently removed a set of nails, and I'm just going to be giving my nails a once over with the nail file just to take any remaining glue off of my nails. And we're just going to remove the nails from the package, and I'm going to use the alcohol prep pad just to give my nails a once over and make sure that they are clean of any, dust from filing them, or any, just to get them cleaned off. And then I'm just going to choose the nail sizes for my nails, and I just kind of try them on to my nails, and then once I find one that fits, I try to match it up and get the same size. And you just want to make sure that the nail fits your nail bed and that it's just slightly smaller than your nail bed. It takes a few minutes to find the right ones and to match them all up and make sure you have all of the same sizes. So then I'm just going to place the remaining nails back in the container because I will be able to get another set out of this one packet of nails. And what I'm doing here is I'm just removing the cellophane from all the nails before I get started, and I realized that doing it this way just gets the nails all ready for me, and I'm not trying to remove that cellophane once I've added the nails. So I am just adding a drop of super glue, and then I will take the nail and
position it onto my nail bed and just hold it down for about 15 to 20 seconds. You want to make sure you apply some good pressure there so that the glue from the pre-glued nail will adhere to your nails. So I've got the first hand almost completed, and I'm starting with the next hand, and again just a drop of the super glue and placing the nails onto my nail beds. And you can see that I am applying some pretty good pressure here just to press the nails down, make sure they glue on. You don't want to use too much glue with these impressed nails because they're already pre-glued. You're really just doing it to give it just a little more adhesive power so the nails don't budge. Alrighty, so here we go. I have the nails on, and I love this red.
Alright guys, here they are. I think they came out fabulous. I love this red. This is definitely a fall red. They're pretty. The length is absolutely perfect. I don't have to do a thing to them. And these are the red Impact Impress nails. I always add a little bit of super glue just to make sure that these nails don't budge. And with the super glue added, they aren't going anywhere until I'm ready to take them off. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Again, I will link the Amazon nails below, and I will also link these two colors that I got from my local CVS. I will link them if I see them on Amazon. If not, you can check out your local CVS or Walgreens. These colors are new, so you should be able to pick them up locally. And if you want to check out Amazon, I'll definitely have these linked below. So that's going to wrap up this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. And if you are new here, welcome. I hope that you will consider subscribing and coming on back. So take care, everyone. Enjoy your fall colors. Enjoy your fall. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.